Now we're going to look at a number line model for integer addition. You always want to start at 0. For every number line problem, you always start at 0. And basically, if the integer is positive, you're going to walk to the right. And if the integer is negative, you're going to walk to the left. So it's important to start remembering that positive means going to the right, and negative means going to the left. So if you can kind of remember that, then that should help with what we're going to do here. So I'm going to draw it first, and then I'm going to model it with like a little stick man, okay, so where it's like a person actually walking. So if we have 3 plus 5 that we want to do, both of those are positive. So I'm going to start at 0, start right here at 0, and I'm going to go to the right 3, and then from there I'm going to go 5 more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to end up here at 8. So we went plus 3 and we went plus 5, and we end up at 8. So the answer to this one would be 8. Everything's positive. That's a nice easy problem. So what about when you have positives and negatives mixed? So this means you're going to start at 0. You're going to go to the right 2, right? That's your plus 2. And then from there, you're going to go back 6. So if you're at 2 and then you head back 6, I've got kind of a little curvy line there. If you head back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you end up here at -4. So you went right 2, but you went left 6. So you went more left than you did right, which is why this answer turns out to be negative. When I add integers in my head, my brain always sees a number line. Like, this is just naturally the way my brain does it. I don't know if that's the way your brain does it or not, but that's what mine does. All right, what about -4 plus 7? So you're going to start off going back 4. So start here at 0. We're going to go back 4. And then from there, we have to add 7. So we have to move to the right. I'll try not to make this one so swoopy. We're going to go to the right 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to end up here at 3. And so you have more positive than you have negative, which is why your answer is positive. So +3 for that one. And then the last one, everybody's negative. So it's a -1 plus even more negatives. So we're going to go back 1, and then we're going to keep going back 4 more. And if everything is negative, then it makes sense that your answer is negative. In this case, it would be -5. So one way you can model this is you can actually like walk with like a little stick man. So I went all out on this manipulative, you guys. Here's my coffee stirring stick with the little stick man, okay? So if we want to do this problem, 3 plus 5, it says he's going to walk to the right. So he's going to walk right 1, 2, 3, and then he's going to go 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and he's going to end up at 8. So if you could imagine, if you could have like a huge number line maybe taped down on the floor of your classroom, you could actually have your students walk these problems, walking forward or walking backwards. So the next one, see, he's going to walk forward 2, and then he's going to walk backwards 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and he ends up there at -4. But this one, so he goes backwards 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. He goes forward 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, I mean, you could make these. These aren't like they're not hard to make if you wanted to, if your students liked them. And here everything's negative, so he's only going to walk backwards. He's going to walk back 1, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is also another really, really good way to model integer addition.